Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Soul Ace by Modern Spaces Group, which is located in Kada Agrahara, Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the project, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision. Then comes the master plan, floor plan, unit plan with the current construction status of the project and about the position of the project. Now, without wasting any time, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, no need to worry because we are here to connect you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So, this is the marketing office of the project, where you'll be getting all the information and about the land parcel is just in 500 meters from the site. Now, let's start with the project overview. This project is being constructed on total 26.5 acres of land parcel, consisting of 266 premium villas, and all the villas will be developed in single phase, and there will be 4 BHK and 5 BHK villas. Now about the location part, so this project is located exactly on Kada Agrahara Road in Bangalore. Now let me tell you that this is the Kada Agrahara Road, and this road over this, it will connect you towards Kommasandra. And on the opposite side, that is just behind me, you can connect this road towards Sarjapur. Now let me tell you about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect towards D-Mart Sarjapur in 2.1 kilometers from the project, Sarjapur Circle in 2.7 kilometers, Dhammasandra metro station is 1 kilometer away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. All the villas in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with vitrified tiles, CP sanitary fittings, with the CCTVs, home automation and many more. Now about the external amenities. So this project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like there will be swimming pool, clubhouse, garden area, kids play area and many more. Now about the parking provision. So this project has car parking that is the private for each and every villa.
Now coming to the master plan. This is the master plan of Modern Soul Ace. As you can see in the image, there are total 266 villas with luxurious amenity space. Now about the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK villa, 3387 square feet. This is the unit plan of 5 BHK villa, 40 to 35 square feet super built up area.
Now let's discuss the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So basically, let me tell you that the core work of the project is completed, that the 90% work is done, I can see. And now about the possession part. So they are starting possession from October 2025, like just in few months from now. So if you are the one who is looking to buy the villas in nearly possession in this location, then this project fits you perfectly. Now if you are looking for more details of the project, and if you want the pros and cons, then all is provided in the housey.com. You don't have to go here and there. You can register yourself on housey.com and schedule your free site visit. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Soul Ace, located in Kada Agrahara, Bangalore, a project by Modern Spaces Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.